It's okay, Blue.
It's the first day with all the babies and with our big boys at school. It's just the two of us with the babies.
And they're all crying, they're all needing us at the same time, and we're just trying to figure out the best way to do it. The boys are giving us a run for their money.
Oh, Rivers. Okay. We're both really tired, so really thankful for the friends that have volunteered to help me today. Hey, Jana.
Hey there.
So good to see you. My really good friends, Katie and Jana, have come to help me out for a little while today. And then Emily, my best friend, she will be here a little bit later. We don't quite have the volunteer schedule in the works yet. Starting in a few days, we've got a schedule of people in the community, rotating 24 hours a day in and out, because we know mentally and physically we can't stay up 24 hours for days to come.
Dad looks a little tired.
Yeah. It was a hard night. Like, we didn't get much sleep, did we?
No, it was awful.
Oh.
Last night with all 6 babies, it was really, really hard.
The boys, they kind of threw a kink in things. They are not sleepers. The boys are demanding. Give me a bottle now. He slept on this couch and I slept on that couch. And he snored. And the louder he snored, the louder they cried. I don't know how he didn't hear the babies crying, because all of them were crying.
The exhaustion. I only snore when I'm exhausted.
Yeah. I don't know about that, but anyways, I thought I was gonna hurt him.
Maybe we need to get a sound machine.
Let's let the truth out. You wasn't scared I was gonna wake your baby up. You was mad because I was sleeping and you weren't.
Well,
that'll make you mad every time. They rocked our world, no question about it. It's miserable.
It is, and we've got a lifetime. I may hand you Rain right here, and then I'll grab, it looks like Blue's about to wake up. So, you want to start on Lake? You think he's ready? Oh my gosh, Katie, I am so sorry you're wet.
I've got babies, I understand.
Blue! Well, no, this is Tag. Oh, it's Tag. I called him Blue. Oh, this is Tag. We've already changed him, haven't we? I'm sorry. We don't know who you are. We're not organized enough, you know, for 9 kids because, I mean, you know.
Yeah, so we got to get our act together.
Yeah. Hey, girl.
I'm here.
Just in time.
Who needs fed?
Everybody. Oh. Grab a baby. Oh. Anybody and everybody.
You've got Blue.
I have Blue.
Okay. Yeah, so Tag. We have these 6 premature babies. You know, the #1 thing they've got to do is they've got to eat.
I got to grow.
It is just so monotonous, and it's so mentally exhausting. It's just constant. It's never ending.
The amount of bottles that we have to feed the babies and formula that we use is just crazy.
Rain has a little bit left out of 2 bottles.
Okay, so I'll put
He's almost down 2.
I mean, they're drinking like 100 plus 2-ounce bottles a day.
Oh my goodness, she's pooped. Every time you turn around, there's a dirty diaper, so you feel like you've changed 1,000,000 that day, and you think, well, good gracious, that's all I've done today is change dirty diapers.
The amount of diapers that we're going to use is like 60 or 70 diapers a day.
We're going to be feeding and changing
all day long.
All day long. Yeah. Oh my goodness.
3个哥哥，6个宝宝，2个父母，加起来等于甜蜜的混乱。
You have to keep your head on a swivel.
We've survived.
Barely.
6胞胎甜蜜家，每星期六晚上9点连看2集，就在 TLC 旅游生活频道。